Angie Edge from Dairy Farmers of Wisconsin is back with us. And of course, what's more cheesy than the holiday season around here, right? And you have so many different pairings here.
I know. Happy holidays. And towards the holidays, people really love to bake. They love to indulge. And we have some great treats today that are both sweet and salty together. Very simple, only 4 ingredients. So when you do your Christmas baking, this might be a fun one to try.
I can smell the blue cheese.
Yes, you can smell the blue cheese. So blue cheese and chocolate go really great together. So we've used these little cups. And what you do is you use a high quality milk chocolate and you pour it into the little muffin cups, or you can brush it on with a paintbrush as well. And you're going to make your own chocolate molds.
Oh, cool.
And so you put it in the refrigerator for about an hour, and then you repeat that step. So you get your own little chocolate cup, and then you fill it with 1 tablespoon of blue cheese, some dried apricots and dried cranberries, and you get these cute little dessert cups.
So cute, yes.
And also you can drizzle a little bit of honey on it as well, but it's really fun. It's really easy. And I know there is a lot of Wisconsin blue cheese lovers out there, so you get that full earthy flavor of the blue cheese along with the chocolate, and then a little bit of sweetness of those dried fruits as well.
Let's talk about blue cheese a little bit, because this is kind of a unique sort of situation.
Yeah, a lot of people wonder, why am I eating moldy cheese, right? So blue cheese is a really great cheese, and during the initial cheese make process, when you have those milky curds, they're adding an edible blue cheese mold, the penicillin roquefort, and then later through on the process, once the cheese is starting to age, they actually pierce the cheese with like metal prongs.
Wow.
And then the air gets in the cheese and starts to build those beautiful blue cheese veins.
So, that's so cool.
So it's really a fun process, but we make a lot of blue cheese here in Wisconsin. The blue cheese we're featuring today is from Roth Cheese. They're actually headquartered in Stoughton, Wisconsin.
There we go.
And have several plants around Wisconsin as well. They use the high quality milk from the dairy farms to make the Buttermilk Blue is their traditional blue, and then the Affinee, which is aged for about 6 months. So depending on what kind of blue you like, they also have a moody blue if you like a smoked blue, gorgonzola, but it just really has that full earthy flavor. I don't know about you, but if I'm looking for a fun snack, I'll just have a cracker with some blue cheese and honey, and it's
that's all you need.
That's all I need. So
that's
blue
awesome.
cheese is a favorite by many, and we make a lot of award-winning blues here in Wisconsin.
And we can find a lot of these locally too?
Yes, you can find all of these locally, probably at any of your grocery stores. You can find that Proudly Wisconsin label. You can find it, you know, pretty much at any Madison grocery store, the blue cheese.
Amazing. Where can we find these recipes?
You can find the recipe at wisconsincheese.com for the Buttermilk Blue Cups, and really have fun with your baking this holiday season. Also, the gift of cheese is like something I want to remind people for the holidays. A gift basket of Wisconsin cheese is the ultimate gift for the cheese lover in your life.
Perfect for entertaining,
yes,
right?
Yes.
Awesome.
So you can bring these to a party as well. Super easy.
Thank you, Angie. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
We appreciate it.